Dear Moonlight, when the sun goes down, you go up. I get fearless when you are not lightless. Your bright nights get me distracted by my dark shadows. This industry is unfortunately, that is why you become lightless in other dark nights. I think I need a plane to land safe on top of you. This is like summer flames that get away easily. I wish to jump high, but my legs are tied with foot cuffs. I wish to shoot arrows up in the sky, but my hands are tied with handcuffs. Wish to run away, but I know I can't escape. Too many problems, I feel like run off, but who can solve them? I don't want to reason bad things because they reason me instead. Is this the way how life goes, or I'm the one who doesn't understand? I see too many stars out there, but none of them can bring smile on my face. They say sun is your opposite, well I need mine too. I just wanna twinkle under your radiance. Too many problems, enough of fake friends. Too many blessings falling on my yard, but I feel like they are not enough to build a rocket in order to reach you. I know there's no time, there's no energy. That is why I keep running, cause every time I wake up I have this vision on my mind that tells me I will make it. I know my dreams are too far, just like a moonlight, but I'm not done chasing my moonlight. I will keep going until things get right, because they say life without risk is not life, it's an existence.